Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the webcam on your HP Omen Transcend 14. So if you want to disable your webcam, your built-in camera, or some external one that you have plugged in, you can easily do it through the settings. Unfortunately, there's no special key for it on the keyboard, so you should do it through the settings. So I'm just gonna search for settings, then let's open them. And as we can see here in Bluetooth and devices, you'll have cameras. Then in connected cameras, select the camera that you want to disable. Now it turns on the image from what it sees, and if you disable it and click on yes, that camera will be disabled until you click on enable right here. But honestly, I don't think you need to do this each time you don't use your camera, since it still has a light on the top indicating whether your camera is on or off. So I wouldn't really bother about it. It's just up to you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.